My name's Tony Chapman, and I'm with the Mike Morse Law Firm. I love that what we're doing is making a difference, helping our clients out. And I love the people that I work with. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a stuntman, but in all reality, probably something where I'd be helping out in the community, probably a teacher. Besides my kids, I'm proud of the work that this office does, being involved with this firm, and not just the work we do for our clients, but also the work that we do in the community. I love spending time with my family. If I'm not in the office, I'm with my wife and my kids. I love traveling. What's not to love? That's like asking, what do you love about summer? I love the people, the diversity, the resilience, and it's a great city. And Michigan, I've lived here my whole life, and just all the seasons, and I love this state. What I would like my clients to know about me is that I care about them and I care about their case.